Guess what, guys? We are bringing back
Tip of the week,
Hey, hello to Paul, who isn't listening to my branding guidelines either, for his top tip at Abbey Precision.
So Gina, you'll notice that I'm muffless today here. Now we've come out without our MTD network muff, but never mind, because I've still got a cracking tip of the week for you. I'm at Abbey Precision, I'm with Christian Lloyd. Christian, we're going to talk about 0-point work holding and the advantage to it. You've got a Matsuura MX 330 here with 10 pallet stations. Can you tell us how this work holding works?
Okay, so I can basically pull this out of here, okay, and this will return back into the machine within a tolerance of 10 microns. So I can take this into inspection, get it checked, any issues I can put it back into the machine and remachine it, and then we're good to go.
When you compare this to how you would maybe have done this in the past, where you'd have had to have put the part back on the table, re-clock it up, do all of those things, you're introducing the opportunity for errors. This is a far more, well, not just a faster, a much accurate method of work holding, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. This is a far better way of machining. It's more accurate, it's quicker. We can load 10 pallets into the machine and run them all in one hit.
So there you go, 0-point work holding, Gina. Be interested to see what your thoughts are on that. That's it from me here, muffless at Abbey Precision.
Paul's not using a muff. He's wearing an MTDCNC t-shirt. And everyone, Colin did it last week, and now Paul's doing it. What the hell's going on? Okay. And no one is listening.